Olá, seja muito bem-vindo ao meu canal. Não te esqueças, subscreva-te, gosta do vídeo e partilha.
The first expression we have today is Art Gallery Downtown. Art Gallery Downtown, galeria de arte na baixa da cidade. The next expression we have is try the famous café. We have here try, which means experimentar, provar. Try the famous café. Café, coffee shop. Café, coffee shop. Next expression, pastries. Pastries, we are talking about cakes and things that we bake. Pastries, cakes, right? Then we have hiking in the nearby mountains. Hiking means escalar, right? Nearby, nas proximidades. Then we have for fun. For fun. Watch a movie at home for fun. Ver filme em casa por diversão. For fun. Then we have invite friends over. Invite friends over means to call friends, right? You could even invite friends over for a game night. You could even call friends to come for a game night. The next expression we have is recipe. I think you know what recipe is. Recipe. Recipe means receita. Receita de cozinha. Then we have composing. Compor. Composing. Plenty. There is plenty to do. Bastante. There is plenty to do. You could mix and match activities. You could mix and combine activities to suit or to accommodate your mood. Mood, temperament, right? State of spirit, temperament.